Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 31st of August 2019. This is our second strategy and this will be posted in our second channel. The links to we've dropped two strategies today again, 31st August 2019. The first strategy will be posted on your first channel, while the second strategy will be posted on the second channel. So make sure you subscribe to both channels to watch the latest strategy. This is the link to the first channel. This is the link to the new channel. Make sure you subscribe to both channels to watch the strategies. So here we are going to be trading the volatility 50 touch strategy. These are the rules for this strategy. You open the volatility 50 index. You choose the touch, no touch, click on no touch, set your durations, set the higher barrier offset, then click on purchase after 20 seconds. This is why we have a timer, so make sure you have a timer on your PC. Make sure you have a strong internet connection as well. So here we are going to don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more strategies. So here we are going to open the volatility 50 index. And this is what we are starting with right now as 45. Let me just put it here, 45 357.64. So we are going for trade number one. We'll trade for like 5 or 6 times. Okay, let's trade for 6 times. So we'll go for trade number one, and I'm going to set the timer to 15 minutes. Sorry, 15 minutes. Let me reset this. 10 minutes. Okay, so this 15 set. Kind of open it again. Okay, 15. Okay, start. Okay. So here we are going to change this to touch, no touch. Then we are going to click on no touch. So we are going to change this to 5 ticks. Make sure it's 5 ticks. Then our barrier offset will be plus 0.14. Plus 0.14 is stated right here. Plus 0.14. So after 12 seconds, we'll be clicking on purchase. We are going for the first trade. So here, if the higher the stake, the higher the amount. If you stake 10 USD, you'll be making 0.39. If you stake 100 USD, you'll be making 3.93. While if you stake 1,000 USD, you'll be making 32.32. So I'm going to be staking 10 USD for people that doesn't have much in their trading balance to see how this works. So let's try with 10 USD first. Later, I'm going to increase it. So after 12 seconds, I'm clicking on purchase. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I click on purchase. So that's our first trade. Okay, so we want 0.40 there. So I'm going to take high right now. So we're going for our second trade. That's trade number 2. So we're going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We click on purchase again. Trade number 2. The reason why we're using the timer is for the trading price to go down, to go up or down before we click on purchase. So you can see we want that trade again. So we are going for trade number 3. Trade number 3. So if I stake 1,000. See what we make for trade number 3. So we have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You click on purchase. So after this, we go for our trade number 4. Remember, we are trading 6 times right now. It's late already. So you can see we want trade number 3, so we are going for trade number 4. Let's assume that I trade 10,000. We'll be making 364 right here. So make sure you stay low, don't go high. So we are going for trade number 4. We'll count again: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we click on purchase. That's trade number 4. So let's wait for the results. 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, we want trade number 4. So I'm going to go back again. I'm going low again to 10 USD. So I'm going for the 5th trade. Let's count again: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'll click on purchase again. So after this, we'll go for our final trade as the 6th trade. So as you can see, we want trade number 5. Then we'll go for trade number 6 right now. This is our last trade. So we'll count again: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We click on purchase. So that's our final trades. So after this, we'll do the math and see what we made. As you can see, we want all the trades. So the strategy is 100% guaranteed. So let's just quickly do the math. So this is what we start with right now: 45357.64. This is what we have now: 45767.06 minus 45357.64. So we made $409.42 in about 5 minutes or so. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more strategies, the 2 channels. So you can also share the videos among other traders as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.